Now we are discussing about another non-linear wave shaping circuit, which is a clamper. Clamping is nothing but simply adding DC to our signal. So if it is a sinusoidal signal, we are shifting the entire signal to the positive half, then that is called as positive clamper. If we are shifting the signal to the negative portion, then that is called as negative clamping. We use a capacitor and a diode and a resistor in this clamping circuit. In the differentiator circuit we have seen capacitor and resistor, but because we are using also diode, this is a non-linear wave shaping circuit. When we are giving the Vi input, this signal will be added by Vm, the maximum voltage of this signal. This will be stored in the capacitor that will be added to our signal. That's why you observe there is a shift. Instead of minus Vm to Vm, the signal is shifting from 0 to 2 Vm. Still, if you are not satisfied with this clamping, you can add more clamping with the help of the battery. If I am adding 1 volt battery, then this signal will be clamped to 1 volt. So Vi plus Vm plus Vr, reference voltage is 1 volt. In the clipping, we are taking care of particularly limiting the peak of the signal. In the clamping, we are shifting the signal, we are shifting the signal. In the clipping, we are removing the positive peak, or we are limiting the positive peak or negative peaks. But in the clamping, we are shifting the signal. Now here, when we are giving the negative voltage, or when we want to shift to the negative side, then the same clamper circuit, the diode you have to take like this. Then the signal will be clamped to negative portion, 0 minus 2 Vm. So when we are connecting the negative battery, here we can shift more into the negative portion. During the positive half cycle, this will be forward biased. During the negative half cycle, this will be reverse biased. This is the working of the clamper. Clamping means shifting the signal by adding the DC. This capacitor, because of this capacitor, we are adding the voltage Vm, and additional voltage can be added by using the battery.